Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we inspire future billionaires like you. Today, we have an exciting new video for you, all about improving productivity. Did you know that Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos have the same 24 hours in a day as you do? It's true. The difference lies in how they utilize that time to invest in their dreams. So, if you're ready to maximize your day and achieve your goals, keep watching. But before we start, we're going to want you to hit the subscribe button. We don't want you missing any of our daily life-changing content. You ready? Let's get to it. Number 1. Write it down. To maximize productivity, start by creating a to-do list. These lists are crucial for staying organized, understanding where to direct your focus, and experiencing a sense of accomplishment as you cross off completed tasks. By writing a to-do list the night before, you can wake up with a clear idea of what needs to be done, eliminating the time wasted in the morning trying to decide where to start. Remember, a well-structured list sets the foundation for a productive day. Number 2. Trim your to-do list. While it's tempting to include numerous tasks on your to-do list, it's essential to assess the importance of each item. A lengthy list can lead to morning anxiety and evening frustration when only a few tasks are checked off. To combat this, limit yourself to a maximum of 3 time-consuming tasks that must be completed the next day. Additionally, add 3 to 5 less time-consuming tasks. By prioritizing and organizing your to-do list, you can allocate your time more efficiently, which can save you up to an hour each day. Number 3. Stop multitasking. Multitasking may seem like a necessary skill for success, but it actually hampers productivity. When you multitask, your brain rapidly switches between tasks, resulting in a decrease of up to 40% in productivity. Research even suggests that multitasking can lower your IQ. To combat this, focus on one task at a time and give it your undivided attention. By concentrating fully on a single task, you'll achieve better results in less time. Number 4. Minimize distractions. To enhance productivity, it's crucial to minimize distractions. While it may be tempting to respond immediately to every email or phone call, constant interruptions hinder your progress. Unless it's your job to be constantly available, turn off notifications and refrain from checking social media accounts every 20 minutes. Additionally, activate the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone while working. By creating a focused and uninterrupted environment, you'll be amazed at how much more work you can accomplish. Inform your friends, family, and colleagues about your dedicated work time and kindly request that they avoid disrupting you until you've finished your task. Number 5. Organize your workspace. An organized workspace plays a significant role in boosting productivity. When everything is in its place and your work desk is clutter-free, you can concentrate better on the task at hand. No more wasting precious time searching for misplaced items or feeling the urge to tidy up piles of papers. Many individuals invest time and money into their workstations, acquiring expensive desks, fast computers, and high-quality pens. One example of a luxurious working station is the Empora workspace, renowned for its optimized working gear, offering everything you need for a productive day. It includes a comfortable seat, a writing desk, ample space for monitors, and various other features. The price range for the Empora workspace starts at $5,300 for the basic model and goes up to $12,000 for the premium version. Number 6. Track and limit your time. To optimize your productivity, it's crucial to track and evaluate how much time you spend on each task. This practice allows you to identify areas where you may be spending excessive time or getting distracted. For example, you might realize that you spend too much time reading similar articles during research, or you find yourself scrolling through your Facebook newsfeed for half an hour during your designated break time. By keeping a close eye on how you allocate your time, you can make necessary adjustments and improve your efficiency. Number 7. Embrace technology. In this digital age, don't hesitate to leverage technology to boost your productivity. Utilize various apps and add-ons that can help you track the time spent on each task, create schedules, set reminders, and receive work-related notifications. Apps and systems such as Trello, Slack, and Monday are great for organization, whether for yourself or a team. Instead of relying on a traditional pen and paper to make your to-do list, consider using digital tools on your phone or desktop. By having these resources readily available at your fingertips, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that you stay on track. Number 8. Set SMART goals. When setting goals, it's important to follow the SMART framework, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. By defining your goals in a specific and measurable way, you create a clear target to aim for. Ensure that your goals are attainable and realistic, taking into account your skills and resources. Finally, set a deadline for each goal to create a sense of urgency and prevent them from lingering indefinitely. By setting SMART goals, you provide yourself with a roadmap for success and stay motivated throughout the process. Number 9. Choose your friends wisely. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your mindset and ambitions can significantly impact your productivity. Consider working alongside motivated individuals who inspire and push you to achieve your goals. Collaborating with these individuals allows you to exchange ideas, brainstorm together, and engage in discussions on relevant topics that enrich your knowledge. Finding and connecting with such people is an important step towards personal growth and increased productivity. Number 10. Learn in bits. The principle of the compound effect emphasizes that even small, consistent efforts can accumulate over time and lead to significant mastery of a new skill. By dedicating just 1 hour per day to independent study, you can invest 7 hours per week and a whopping 365 hours per year in self-improvement. This means that in 3 to 5 years, you can become an expert in a topic of your choice by spending just 1 hour a day on it. If you're unsure where to start, pick up a book and start reading. To assist you on your journey, we've curated a collection of 15 business books that we believe everyone should read. And if you think that 1 hour per day is not feasible, think about all the time you waste while commuting. Utilize that time to read or listen to an audiobook or podcast of your choice. Trust us, the investment of time will be well worth it. Number 11. Say no. Learning to say no is a vital skill for protecting your productivity. While helping others is commendable, it should not come at the expense of your own tasks and goals. Get accustomed to politely declining requests for assistance that interfere with your working habits. Remember, you're not obligated to help everyone immediately. Finish your own tasks first, and if you have the time and capacity, you can then extend your help. By setting boundaries and prioritizing your own work, you'll maintain a healthy balance and avoid becoming overwhelmed. Number 12. Be proactive, not reactive. Instead of letting incoming emails and phone calls dictate your day, take charge of your time by planning ahead. Create a schedule and stick to it as much as possible. By proactively managing your time, you ensure that you're in control of your day and that external factors don't derail your productivity. Don't let others dictate your agenda. Become an active participant in your own schedule. Number 13. Avoid endless meetings. Meetings, while sometimes necessary, can be major productivity killers. They often consume a significant amount of time and frequently fail to reach any conclusive outcomes. Whenever possible, avoid non-essential meetings altogether. If appropriate, propose alternative methods of communication, such as using a messaging group where participants can respond when they are less busy. Take inspiration from Bill Gates, who famously conducted 3-minute meetings. If a situation couldn't be addressed within that time frame, it was left for further consideration. Gates, who held the title of the richest man in the world for almost 2 decades, clearly understood the value of time and efficiency. Number 14. Focus on result-oriented activities. Not all tasks are created equal when it comes to productivity. The Pareto principle suggests that 80% of our results come from 20% of our actions. To make the most of your time, identify the 20% of activities that have the highest impact and prioritize them. By directing your energy towards these result-oriented activities, you'll achieve more significant outcomes in less time. It's about focusing on the tasks that truly move the needle and contribute to your overall goals. Number 15. Take care of yourself. Productivity isn't just about schedules and plans, it's about living a balanced life. To maintain sustained productivity, it's crucial to invest in all aspects of your well-being. Make time for exercise, prioritize healthy eating habits, and ensure you get enough sleep. When you take care of your physical and mental health, you'll feel energized, motivated, and ready to tackle your goals. A positive attitude that stems from living a balanced life is invaluable and can greatly enhance your productivity. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards becoming a more productive and successful version of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We've also hand-picked some recommended videos for you to watch next, so click the link in the description. As always, thank you for being an engaged member of our community. We'll see you tomorrow.